Goats Airdrop listing date and price prediction, what to expect. Goats is quickly becoming a standout in the meme coin market, capturing significant attention due to its rapid growth and strong potential. Like $DOGS, Goats has gained traction on Telegram, driven by its fun, community-focused approach and strategic partnerships that have enhanced its visibility. As Goats continues to draw attention, it's positioned to become a major player in the meme coin arena. Joining the airdrop offers a unique chance to secure free tokens that could appreciate in value as the project progresses, making this an excellent opportunity to get involved early, before the official launch. Goats Airdrop listing date. Mark your calendar for September 15th. Building on the success of $DOGS, which created a buzz in the market, the Goats Airdrop listing date is set to attract even more interest. The launch of Goats is strategically planned to capitalize on the momentum from $DOGS, with many expecting that Goats could surpass its predecessor in both popularity and returns. The official announcement for the Goats Airdrop listing date is set for September 15, 2024. The token will be listed on two major exchanges, Radium Protocol and Jupiter Exchange. These platforms will significantly increase Goats' visibility and trading accessibility, reaching a wide audience of crypto enthusiasts and investors. Excitement is building as Goats prepares to launch, with expectations of potential 10x returns, similar to the success of $DOGS. Exciting 5 SOL giveaway, key details of the Goats Airdrop. Leading up to the launch, Goats will conduct a significant airdrop to reward early supporters and active community members. If you've been following the project or participating in promotions, you may be eligible to receive Goats tokens. To add to the excitement, there's a special giveaway of $5 SOL, Solana, to 25 lucky participants who purchased Goats during the launch. Winners will be chosen within 48 hours after the launch, providing an opportunity to turn $5 SOL into $500 SOL, highlighting the immense potential of Goats. Preparing for the Goats Airdrop listing, steps to take. As September 15th approaches, it's crucial to prepare for the Goats launch. Here's how to get ready. Set up a compatible wallet. Ensure you have a wallet that supports Solana, SOL, and can connect to Radium Protocol or Jupiter Exchange. This will allow you to participate in the token launch and airdrop. Follow official channels. Stay updated by following Goats on social media and joining their official channels. This will keep you informed about the latest news, changes, and additional airdrop opportunities. Get ready for launch day. Mark September 15th on your calendar and be ready to act quickly. With high demand expected, purchasing Goats as soon as it becomes available will give you the best chance to participate in the giveaway and secure your tokens at an optimal price. Engage with the community, participate in discussions, share insights, and stay active within the Goats community. This will enhance your experience and may lead to additional rewards and bonuses in the future. Goats Airdrop, the next big crypto after dogs. The success of $DOGS demonstrated that animal-themed meme coins can attract significant investments and yield substantial returns. Goats aims to surpass this success with its unique features and strong community focus. The development team has been diligently working on forming key partnerships and outlining a clear growth strategy to ensure the token's success.